Hello students, this is JEE Mains 2021 question from Properties of Triangles. Let us start. In triangle ABC, if sin A by sin B equals to sin of A minus B by sin of A minus C and small letters A, B, C are the sides of triangle ABC, then the correct relation between small a, b, c. So we have to express totals this sin a by sin b in terms of small letters. Sin a by sin b equals to sin a by sin b equals to sin a minus b by sin a minus c. First use compound angles and expand this. Sin a by sin b equals to sin a cos b minus cos A sin B by sin of A minus C. Sin A cos C minus cos A sin C. Now by sin rule, we can eliminate sin A sin B values in terms of small letters A, B, C. By sin rule, we can write sin A equals to A by 2R, sin B equals to B by 2R, sin C equals to C by 2R, small letters. Therefore here A by 2R, sin B, B by 2R, sin A by 2R, cos B, cos A, sin B, B by 2R, divided by sin A by 2R, cos A, sin C value C by 2R. 2R LCM gets cancelled. Here also 2R LCM, 2R LCM cancelled. So remaining terms A by B equals to A cos B minus B cos A. A cos B minus B cos A by A cos C minus C cos A. Now we have to eliminate these letters cos B, cos A, cos C also. By projection rule we can eliminate these two terms. By projection rule C equals to A cos B minus B cos A. This implies we can find B cos A. B cos A equals to C minus A cos B. So instead of B cos A we can substitute C minus A cos A. Similarly another one B equals to A cos C minus C cos A. That implies we can find C cos A. C cos A equals to B minus A cos C. This is C cos A value. Using by projection rule, we are finding these two values. Substitute here. A by B equals to A cos B as it is minus B cos A value C minus A cos B by A cos C as it is minus C cos A value here. Observe this. C cos A equals to B minus A cos C. That implies A by B equals to A cos B minus C minus into minus plus A cos B by A cos C minus B minus into minus A cos C. Now we have A cos B plus A cos B 2A cos B minus C by small c. A cos C 2A cos C minus B. Now we have to eliminate now this cos B cos C also by cosine rule. 2A into cos B formula by cosine rule. A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC minus C by 2A into cos C. A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB by cosine rule. Here now 2A gets cancelled. Here also 2A cancel. Remaining terms I am writing. Left hand side A by B is there. A by B equals to A square plus C square minus B square by C minus C divided by A square plus B square minus C square by B minus B. Now take LCM as C in the numerator, denominator B. A by B equals to A square plus C square minus B square minus C square by C by A square plus B square minus C square minus B square by P. Now plus C square minus C square gets cancelled. plus b square minus b square gets cancelled. So remaining term a by b equals to a square minus b square by c by a square minus c square by b. That implies finally a by b equals to a square minus b square by c into this denominator write in numerator b by a square minus c square. That implies a by b equals to b by c into a square minus b square by a square minus c square. By taking cross multiplication, ac into a square minus c square by equal to b into b square into a square minus b square. This is the relation between a, b, c. Therefore, the correct option is third option.